Frustrated by the Ippcv.dll error causing your professional tools to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. To begin the walkthrough for Ippcv, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This DLL file is part of the Intel Integrated Performance Primitives (IPP) library. It provides optimized mathematical routines for computer vision tasks, such as feature detection and image filtering on PC. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error commonly appears when specific Intel CPU library files are missing or corrupted in the app folder. Reinstall the official version of Intel CPU library to repair the application and replace the Ippcv.dll dependency. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Ippcv component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for the Ippcv.dll that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines the Ippcv optimization concepts. If you've regained access to the Ippcv thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.